Hello friends, welcome to this CISSP training short class. This is my first professional video I'm trying to make to explain CISSP in a very easy way, in a way people can relate to and which is easy and fun to understand. Our topic today will be a very familiar topic. I think this is one of the most important topic in CISSP. This is called business continuity planning, and we refer it as BCP, business continuity planning. Basically, business continuity planning is a subject in security and risk management, where we discuss of how a business can sustain in the event of a disaster. So disaster recovery is a different domain, and BCP is a different domain. They are two different things. People might confuse BCP with DR and DR with BCP if they are not familiar with CISSP. But when we study CISSP, it's important for us to understand that these two terms are different. I mean, BCP is something which is done proactively to ensure that we have enough support and infrastructure and people so that any disaster which is expected to happen can be properly dealt with. So let's just start how this BCP looks like. I will try to explain concepts in a flow and a pictorial way so that you can relate to. So if we talk of BCP, we have to first think what we are addressing. So any process, any technology, or any set of teams, when we discuss the purpose of these three things in security and risk management in CISSP, we think in terms of CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So what is the area, or what is the principle of information security BCP addresses? So we should know that BCP is basically addressing availability, right? So BCP is primarily meant to ensure that the business is running and business is available. So its end objective is availability. So there is a broader term which is called business continuity management, which we also should know. This term, which is called business continuity management. I'm writing MGMT for management. So business continuity management basically contains BCP and DR. So both the area, business continuity planning and disaster recovery, are part of business continuity management. And BCP addresses availability. This is something that should be in the mind if we want to pass the exam. Hopefully we all. And then what is the top priority of BCP? So availability is something which is the end objective of BCP, but when it comes to top priority, it's always people. So safety and well-being of people is the top priority of any process. And specifically, if someone asks you what is the top priority for business continuity planning, it should not be sustaining the business. Sustaining the business is the end objective, but the top priority is the safety and well-being of the people. So this is kind of first overall understanding you should have, that BCP is business continuity planning. It's a part of business continuity management, Business continuity management talks about BCP and DR, which is disaster recovery. And BCP addresses availability, and its top priority is, it's of course people all the time. So yeah, let's go to the next part of BCP. I'll be explaining some other things, and we'll try to go through with all the processes.